A little rim dingo. Good. Little rim dingo. Alright, we're not in no gear to pedal. Fortunately. There we go. Get some pedalage in on the ring now. Oh, that's a gap. Good. Roll it. Some unexpected gaps there, isn't there? Dig, dig. Me fucking poor rims. Me poor rims. Whoa. That was sick.
That was insane.
Ew.
That was actually sick. I had a few moments where I was like, is he alright?
Is he good? In the gear though. Fucking hell. Oh. It's fucking sick. Oh, my chain! No! I ain't got a chain! Ah!
I must have someone following me.
Right, I'm having a catastrophe with this bike. Should have brought the Specialized. I think the gears have come loose when we changed it. Woo! Man, I didn't know that was a jump, I thought it was a roller. Whoa! Wait, where's... Follow me! There, you're good. Yes, now that was the best one. We're filming, we'll catch up again. We're doing the Norco back to the visitor centre. Back brakes are pretty gone now, so take a time. Whoa. This is our fourth run. We've just finished our fourth run, should I say. Now we're on the way back down to the visitor centre. Back to the van. roller couple fucking doinks. Yeesh. Whoa! Bit of drifty on that one. I was catching the vlog up with what we've done, mate. Bit of commentary.
You've gone down the wrong one again.
No. I was checking if I was recording and just commentating. Telling them that we've just finished our fourth route, we're on our way back down to the visitor centre. We'll probably get maybe one or two more in. The food, his bike's there. Whoa, mate, it's fucking gorgeous.